very strong signature of rotation starting to develop on the radar, and here we are having a clear view of it.
Right now.
Yeah, relatively.
Some trees.
Well, yeah.
It's not that bad though.
You can kind of see it over there, a little bit low hanging.
I know.
Yeah, it is. Funnel is. Funnel.
Actually, might touch down.
It might.
Is that a funnel?
It is.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. A lot of precip.
It is fine.
There's very substantial rotation developing near us, though, in the new circulation. That might wedge right close to us.
Wow.
Matter of fact, there may be a ground circulation.
You see that?
Does it have ground circulation?
I think there is.
Oh, on the funnel over there?
On the right side.
Oh, I see it. Hey, Thomas! It is on the ground.
There-
You see?
No, on the right side, there are two. Two of them.
Oh, I see it.
The one on the right has a circulation near the ground. The one coming right at us.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
That
dead
one?
serious. I just saw some vortices. There, it's going down.
Holy cow.
The whip?
Right, both of those locations. Look, that's a tornado developing.
Wow.
Guys, we're gonna have to boogie really quick here.
Just get ready to get
We're gonna have to go very, very quickly.
How beautiful the one on the left is. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Holy cow.
All the way down.
It's coming at us. Do you guys? Ooh.
Oh yeah, that's definitely wrapping up.
Oh, but I love the one on the left. I don't
I
want to
know,
lose.
it's so...
Well, let's just be ready to go on the moment's notice, okay?
Oh, they're beautiful.
I think we should just stay and watch this while we can. If it ropes out real quick, then we can go.
Beautiful.
Just know that that circulation is very, very close on the right side.
I see that.
Yep.
It's getting closer. And
say
we're
that-
right in this
That's
path.
beautiful.
Mostly saying that for the benefit of the Danes.
Yes. Gosh, Paul, look at this, dude. Wow.
It's not moving terribly fast for us.
Very vigorous circulation here. Very low wall cloud. Oh, the tornado. Yeah. Yeah, it's right there. Circulation on the ground. It's on the ground. It's on the ground.
Kør lige derovre.
Yeah, I know. You see it on the iPad pretty well.
It's going to be rain wrapped.
Yeah.
Pretty rain wrapped.
Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful circulation though. I love the rain curtains. Oh man, that is unbelievable. We could get a wedge out of this here in a second.
Yeah.
That's going to wedge out right here. Yeah, that's going to produce a really big tornado. Look, the RFD's going all the way around. Fortunately, I think that's going to go a little north of us, but barely. It's going to get very close.
Let's hope so. Oh yeah, look at that RFD. Try to look up.
Yeah. You see the RFD? It's going to get wet.
Yeah. Yeah, and hail.
Oh man.
Look at the rotation.
That's amazing.